Greenery Kitchen was established year 2007. It was first home-based lunch delivery lang. We started it kasi we are vegetarian before. Our experience is that when we go out, it's hard to find establishment that serves plant-based or vegetarian. So, sabi namin, gawa tayo ng establishment na we serve plant-based food. We started become vegetarian at first, year 2000. Nag-enroll kami sa isang meditation class. Tinuturo yung non-violence to all beings. So, do not harm any kind of animals. Tapos, secondary is my health reasons. Before, may allergy ako. So, I was advised not to intake any animal byproduct. We offer most Filipino dishes. Ang twist is plant-based. Like, we serve vegan caldereta, vegan sisig, kare-kare, dinakdakan. Ang experience kasi namin, most ng mga walk-ins, hindi kami nagsasabi na plant-based yung kakainin nila. What we do is, after mag-bill out or matapos sila, maghihingi kami ng feedback sa kanila. How's the food? How's the plant-based food? So, they were surprised always na malalaman nila at the end. Tapos na silang kumain, nadaya daw sila kasi hindi pala karne yung kinakain nila. Right now, we are preparing Bicol Express. For Bicol Express, instead of pork, we are using seitan or we call it gluten. Most ng orders namin online saka delivery. Like as before, yung mga nag-a-attend ng parties, ng mga occasions, they order from us yung party trays. So, yung lechon kawali kasi, parang layered lang siya ng yung meat substitute, yung gluten, yung fat niya, combination ng cornstarch saka ng cassava flour. So, nile-layer lang namin siya, tapos pinifreeze, then after freezing, mukha siyang pork meat. Yung papaitan, ang mga ingredients niya, usually yung pork inert yung laman loob ng mga bawang. So, minimik ko siya with mushroom tsaka yung mga taba-taba ng lechon. Before, when we are starting pa lang, binibili ko lahat yung mga meat substitute. Like, bibili ko ng gluten, bibili ko ng tofu. Ngayon, we make our own raw materials. Hi, simple tips. If you want to try healthier option, plant-based and vegan option, we are here at Makati, Greenery Kitchen. Kapag gusto niyo pong kumain ng masarap, kahit gulay, punta po kayo dito.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.